What's up, guys? I've been absolutely consumed by crypto mining content everywhere online recently. And over these past few weeks, I've probably absorbed like 115 pieces of content. YouTube explainers, Reddit discussions, Twitter threads, Telegram channels, Instagram stories, blog posts, everything from total beginner guides to supposedly advanced expert methods about generating crypto without buying actual mining hardware. And what's really disturbing is this consistent theme appearing across every platform. I'm noticing easily 90% of content is openly promoting scam sites, fake earning screenshots, fake accounts, administration fees when you attempt withdrawing, operations providing zero verifiable blockchain proof they're actually mining anything real. I genuinely became pessimistic about whether trustworthy cloud mining platforms even exist because every corner of the internet seems flooded with fraud. But yeah, I actually stumbled onto arcmine roughly 16 weeks back, and honestly, it remains the only platform I genuinely trust. Like, I've put it through extensive real-world testing, completed numerous successful withdrawals, checked their legitimacy from multiple perspectives, and it's consistently proven reliable.
All right, so I'm gonna demonstrate this live right now so you see everything. Okay, I'm on the homepage. First move, clicking Start Mining. So I'm choosing Solana right now, though the platform actually processes mining for essentially all major cryptocurrencies available: BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Tron, all the top players. But I'm sticking with Solana for this walkthrough. Clicking Continue now. Excellent. So at this stage, I've got to provide my wallet address. So switching to my wallet app, grabbing that address, switching back, and dropping it into this box. Good. Now I'm configuring hash rate power and mining speed. In straightforward terms, these parameters control how much computational capacity gets assigned to your operation and the processing speed. But catch this, it directly influences what you'll pay. So cranking these higher means I'll accumulate cryptocurrency quicker, but service charges rise accordingly. Okay, next I'm specifying my target amount. This displays how much crypto I'm targeting, its dollar equivalent, and the projected completion time. So now I'm firing up the mining session, and perfect, it's active. All the statistics are right here. Remaining time, power being utilized, efficiency percentages, so let's just wait a bit.
And there we go. I've successfully mined Solana tokens, ready to pull it into my wallet. But critical thing here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee settled before they'll process any withdrawal. It's all broken down right here. So I'm copying this payment address. Okay, now back to the app. Clicking, I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. And while we're waiting, here's the most critical guidance I can share based on losing over $1,200 learning these brutal lessons. First essential rule, immediately dismiss any mining platform being promoted through paid influencer partnerships or social media advertising campaigns, because legitimate profitable operations don't need aggressive marketing tactics. Scams do, because they need constant new victim inflow. Second, when evaluating any new platform, start with the absolute bare minimum deposit, like $350 to $500 maximum, and immediately attempt withdrawing even just $10 to $20 to test whether the process actually functions smoothly. Because if withdrawal works seamlessly from day one, that's encouraging. If they create any friction whatsoever or complications, it's a giant red flag screaming scam.
Also, be extremely cautious of platforms that process one or two small withdrawals smoothly, then suddenly create obstacles when you attempt larger withdrawals. That's textbook bait and switch psychology designed specifically to build false security. Fourth, meticulously document everything with screenshots and records. Every fee structure page, every support conversation, every transaction ID, every policy statement. Because if things deteriorate, you'll need comprehensive evidence. So yeah, link sitting in the pinned comment and description below. Start incredibly minimal, test withdrawals first thing, stay perpetually skeptical, and definitely drop your honest, real experience in the comments after testing it yourself. Peace.